there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
GW20 seems to be in the works as a smartphone by the name has appeared on the Google Play console listing. Going by the name, the LG W20 will slot right between the LG W10 and W30, both of which were launched in India in June 2019 as part of the new online-only LG W series. The Google Play console listing reveals some key LG W20 specifications as well as an image showing off its design from the front. The LG W20 will sport a water drop display and will be powered by the Spreadtrum SC9863A budget chipset paired with 3GB of RAM. The LG W20 has made an appearance on the Google Play console website's listing. The online listing of the device gives us an insight into some of the key internals, as its fascia. The device can be seen sporting a water drop notch display. However, the display size is not revealed. The listing does reveal an HD Plus resolution with 720x1520 pixels and a pixel density of 320 pixels. While the bezels on the sides appear slim, but is slightly thick on the chin. As for the remaining hardware, the Google Play listing reveals an entry-level Spreadtrum SC9863A chipset which has 8 Cortex-A55 cores, with up to 1.6 GHz clock speed. The processor is likely to be paired with 3GB RAM. The listing doesn't reveal the storage configuration, but it does suggest Android Pie OS. The Google Play listing reveals only the aforementioned hardware. We still are waiting for the details on the camera and battery specifications, and expect some more information in the coming days. Also, it is unknown when LG will introduce its next budget smartphone for the masses. It would be interesting to see in which price bucket the new device lands in India and which all devices it will be competing against. Notably, the device is likely a successor to the LG W10. The handset was launched with a 6.19-inch HD Plus display with an HD Plus resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio. It packs a dual camera setup housing, a 13MP primary sensor, and a 5MP depth sensor. Powering it is an octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with 3GB RAM and 256GB storage. To keep everything in check is a 4000 mAh battery.